allowing the terms of the trademark license, including paying royalty for use of the Project Gutenberg trademark. If you do not charge anything for copy of this ebook, complying with the trademark license is very easy. You may use this ebook for nearly any purpose such as creation of derivative works, report, performance and research. Project Gutenberg ebooks may be modified and printed and given away. You may do practically anything in the United States with ebooks not protected by US copyright law. Redistribution is subject to the trademark license, especially commercial redistribution. Start, full license. The full Project Gutenberg license. Please read this before you distribute or use this work to protect the Project Gutenberg symbol mark. Commercial mission of promoting the free distribution of electronic works, by using or distributing this work, or any other work associated in any way with the phrase Project Gutenberg. You agree to comply with all the terms of the full Project Gutenberg symbol mark commercial license available with this file or online at www.gutenberg.org/licence. Section 1. General Terms of Use and Redistributing Project Gutenberg symbol mark commercial electronic works. 1.a By reading or using any part of this Project Gutenberg symbol mark commercial electronic work, you indicate that you have read, understand, agree to and accept all the terms of this license and intellectual property, trademark / copyright, agreement. If you do not agree to abide by all the terms of this agreement, you must cease using and return or destroy all copy of Project Gutenberg symbol mark commercial electronic works in your possession. If you paid a fee for obtaining a copy of or access to a Project Gutenberg symbol mark commercial electronic work and you do not agree to be bound by the terms of this agreement, you may obtain a refund from the person or entity to whom you paid the fee as set forth in paragraph 1.e.8. 1.b Project Gutenberg is a registered trademark. It may only be used on or associated in any way with an electronic work by people who agree to be bound by the terms of this agreement. There are a few things that you can do with most Project Gutenberg symbol mark commercial electronic works even without complying with the full terms of this agreement. See paragraph 1.c below. There are a lot of things you can do with Project Gutenberg symbol mark commercial electronic works if you follow the terms of this agreement and help preserve free future access to Project Gutenberg symbol mark commercial electronic works. See paragraph 1.e below. 1.c The Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation, the Foundation or PGLAF, owns a compilation copyright in the collection of Project Gutenberg symbol mark commercial electronic works. Nearly all the individual works in the collection are in the public domain in the United States. If an individual work is unprotected by copyright law in the United States and you are located in the United States, we do not claim a right to prevent you from copying, distributing, performing, displaying or creating derivative works based on the work alone as all references to Project Gutenberg are removed. Of course, We hope that you will support the project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial mission of promoting free access to electronic works by freely sharing project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial works in compliance with the terms of this agreement for keeping the project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial name associated with the work. You can easily comply with the terms of this agreement by keeping this work in the same format with its attached full project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial license when you share it without charge with others. 1.d. The copyright laws of the place where you are located also govern what you can do with this work. Copyright laws in most countries are in a constant state of change. If you are outside the United States, check the laws of your country in addition to the terms of this agreement before downloading, copying, displaying, performing, distributing or creating derivative works based on this work or any other project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial work. The Foundation makes no representations concerning the copyright status of any work in any country other than the United States. 1.e Unless you have removed all references to Project Gutenberg. 1.e.1 The following sentence, with active links to, or other immediate access to, the full Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial license must appear prominently whenever any copy of a Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial work, any work on which the phrase Project Gutenberg appears, or with which the phrase Project Gutenberg is associated, is accessed, displayed, performed, viewed, copied or distributed. This ebook is for the use of anyone anywhere in the United States and most other parts of the world at no cost and with almost no restriction whatsoever. You may copy it, give it away or reuse it under the terms of the Project Gutenberg license included with this ebook or online at www.gutenberg.org. If you are not located in the United States, you will have to check the laws of the country where you are located before using this ebook. 1.e.2 If an individual project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial electronic work is derived from texts not protected by US copyright law, does not contain a notice indicating that it is posted with permission of the copyright holder, the work can be copied and distributed to anyone in the United States without paying any fees or charge. If you are redistributing or providing access to a work with the phrase Project Gutenberg associated with or appearing on the work, you must comply either with the requirements of paragraphs 1.e.1 through 1.e.7 or obtain permission for the use of the work and the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial trademark as set forth in paragraphs 1.e.8 or 1.e.9. 1.e.3 If an individual project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial electronic work is posted with the permission of the copyright holder, your use and distribution must comply with both paragraphs 1.e.1 through 1.e.7 and any additional terms imposed by the copyright holder. Additional terms will be linked to the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial license for all works posted with the permission of the copyright holder found at the beginning of this work. 1.e.4 Do not unlink or detach or remove the full project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial license terms from this work, or any file containing a part of this work or any other work associated with project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial. 1.E.5 Do not copy, display, perform, distribute or redistribute this electronic work, or any part of this electronic work, without permanently displaying the sentence set forth in paragraph 1.E.1 with active links or immediate access to the full terms of the project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial license. 1.E.6 You may convert to and distribute this work in any binary, compressed, marked up, non-proprietary or proprietary form, including any word processing or hypertext form. However, if you provide access to or distribute copy of a project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial work in a format other than plain vanilla ASCII or other format used in the official version posted on the official project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial website, www.gutenberg.org you must, at no additional cost, fee or expense to the user, provide a copy, a means of exporting a copy, or a means of obtaining a copy upon request, of the work in its original plain vanilla ASCII or other form. Any alternate format must include the full project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial license as specified in paragraph 1.E.1. 1.E.7 Do not charge a fee for access to, viewing, displaying, performing, copying or distributing any project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial works unless you comply with paragraph 1.E.8 or 1.E.9. 1.E.8 You may charge a reasonable fee for copy of or providing access to or distributing project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial electronic works provided that you pay a royalty fee of 20% of the gross profit you derive from the use of project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial works calculated using the method you already use to calculate your applicable tax. The fee is owed to the owner of the project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial trademark, BU et HAS agreed to donate royalty under this paragraph to the project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation. Royalty payment must be paid within 60 days following each date on which you prepare, or are legally required to prepare, your periodic tax returns. Royalty payment should be clearly marked association to the project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation at the address specified in section 4, Information about donation to the project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation. You provide a full refund of any money paid by a user who notifies you in writing, or by email, within 30 days of receipt that et does not agree to the terms of the full project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial license. You must require such a user to return or destroy all copy of the works possessed in a physical medium and discontinue all use of and all access to other copy of project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial works. You provide, in accordance with paragraph 1.f.3, a full refund of any money paid for a work or a replacement copy, if a defect in the electronic work is discovered and reported to you within 90 days of receipt of the work. You comply with all other terms of this agreement for free distribution of Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale works. 1.E.9 If you wish to charge a fee or distribute a Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale electronic work or group of works on different terms than are set forth in this agreement, you must obtain permission in writing from the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation, the manager of the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale trademark. Contact the Foundation à set forth in section 3 below. 1.f1.f.1 Project Gutenberg volunteers and employees expend considerable effort to identify, do copyright research on, transcribe and proofread works not protected by US copyright law in creating the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale collection. Despite these efforts, Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale electronic works, and the medium on which they may be stored, may contain defects such as, but not limited to, incomplete, inaccurate or corrupt data, transcription errors, a copyright or other intellectual property infringement, a defective or damaged disk or other medium, a computer virus, or computer code that damage or cannot be read by your equipment. 1.f.2 Limited warranty, disclaimer of damage, except for the right of replacement or refund described in paragraph 1.f.3, the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation, the owner of the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale trademark, and any other party distributing a Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale electronic work under this agreement, disclaim all liability to you for damages, costs and expenses, including legal fees. You agree that you have no remedy for negligence, strict liability, breach of warranty or breach of contract except those provided in paragraph 1.f.3. You agree that the Foundation, the trademark owner, and any distributor under this agreement will not be liable to you for actual, direct, indirect, consequential, punitive or incidental damages even if you give notice of the possibility of such damage. 1.f.3 Limited right of replacement or refund, if you discover a defect in this electronic work within 90 days of receiving it, you can receive a refund of the money, if any, you paid for it by sending a written explanation to the person you received the work from. If you received the work on a physical medium, you must return the medium with your written explanation. The person or entity that provided you with the defective work may elect to provide a replacement copy in lieu of a refund. If you received the work electronically, the person or entity providing it to you may choose to give you a second opportunity to receive the work electronically in lieu of a refund. If the second copy is also defective, you may demand a refund in writing without further opportunities to fix the problem. 1.f.4 Except for the limited right of replacement or refund set forth in paragraph 1.f.3, this work is provided to you as, with no other warranties of any kind, express or implied, including but not limited to warranties of merchantability or fitness for any purpose. 1.f.5 Some states do not allow disclaimers of certain implied warranties or the exclusion or limitation of certain type of damages. If any disclaimer or limitation set forth in this agreement violates the law of the state applicable to this agreement, the agreement shall be interpreted to make the maximum disclaimer or limitation permitted by the applicable state law. The invalidity or unenforceability of any provision of this agreement shall not void the remaining provision. 1.f.6 Indemnity, you agree to indemnify and hold the foundation, the trademark owner, any agent or employee of the foundation, anyone providing copy of Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial electronic works in accordance with this agreement, and any volunteers associated with the production, promotion and distribution of Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial electronic works, harmless from all liability, costs and expenses, including legal fees, that arise directly or indirectly from any of the following which you do or cause to occur. A. Distribution of this or any Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial work. B. Alteration, modification, or addition or deletions to any Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial work. And C. Any defective cause. Section 2. Information about the mission of Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial. Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial is synonymous with the free distribution of electronic works in format readable by the widest variety of computers including obsolete, old, middle-aged and new computers. It exists because of the effort of hundreds of volunteers and donations from people in all walks of life. Volunteers and financial support to provide volunteers with the assistance they need are critical to reaching Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial's goals and ensuring that the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial collection will remain freely available for generations to come. In 2001, the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation was created to provide a secure and permanent future for Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial and future generations. To learn more about the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation and how your efforts and donations can help, see section 3 and 4 and the Foundation information page at www.gutenberg.org. Section 3. Information about the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation. The Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation is a non-profit 501, c3, educational corporation organized under the laws of the state of Mississippi and granted tax-exempt status by the Internal Revenue Service. The Foundation SEIN or Federal Tax Identification Number is 64 à 6 221 541. Contribution to the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation are tax deductible to the full extent permitted by U.S. federal laws and your state's laws. The Foundation's business office is located at 809 North 1500 West, Salt Lake City, U84 116, 801, 596 à 1887. Email contact links and up-to-date contact information can be found at the Foundation's website and official page at www.gutenberg.org/contact. Section 4. Information Abou Donation to the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque commerciale depends upon and cannot survive without widespread public support and donation to carry out its mission of increasing the number of public domain and licensed works that can be freely distributed in machine-readable form accessible by the widest array of equipment including outdated equipment. Many small donation, $1 to $5,000, are particularly important to maintaining tax-exempt status with the IRS. The Foundation is committed to complying with the laws regulating charities and charitable donations in all 50 states of the United States. Compliance requirements are not uniform and it takes a considerable effort, much paperwork and money fees to meet and keep up with these requirements. We do not solicit donations in location where we have not received written confirmation of compliance. To send donation or determine the status of compliance for any particular state, visit www.gutenberg.org/donate. While we cannot and do not solicit contribution from states where we have not met the solicitation requirements, we know of no prohibition against accepting unsolicited donation from donors in such states who approach us with offers to donate. International donations are gratefully accepted, but we cannot make any statements concerning tax treatment of donations received from outside the United States. US laws alone swam for small staff. Please check the Project Gutenberg web page for current donation methods and addresses. Donations are accepted in a number of other ways including checks, online payments and credit card donation. To donate, please visit www.gutenberg.org/donate. Section 5. Général Information Abou Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque commerciale électronique Works Professor Michael S. R. was the originator of the Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque commerciale concept of a library of electronic works that could be freely shared with anyone. For 40 years, a produced and distributed Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque commerciale ebooks with only a loose network of volunteer support. Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque commerciale ebooks are often created from several printed editions, all of which are confirmed and not protected by copyright in the US unless a copyright notice is included. Thus, we do not necessarily keep ebooks in compliance with any particular paper edition. Most people start at our website which has the main page search facility, www.gutenberg.org. This website includes information about Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque commerciale, including how to make donation to the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation, how to help produce our new ebooks, and how to subscribe to our email newsletter to read about new ebooks. Les origines de la Renaissance en Italie. Chapitre 1er. Pourquoi la Renaissance ne s'est point produite en France? I2 3 4 V 6 7 8 9. Chapitre 2. Cause supérieure de la Renaissance en Italie. À la liberté intellectuelle. I2 3 4 V 6. Chapitre 3. Cause supérieure de la Renaissance en Italie. De l'état social. I2 3 4 V 6 7 8. Chapitre 4. Cause supérieure de la Renaissance en Italie. 3. La tradition classique I2 3 4 V 6 7 chapitre V cause supérieure de la Renaissance en Italie. 4. La langue I2 3 4 chapitre 6 cause secondaire de la Renaissance en Italie. Les influences étrangères I2 3 4 V 6 7 8 chapitre 7 Formation de l'âme italienne I2 3 4 V 6 7 8 9 X chapitre 8 La Renaissance des lettres en Italie. Les premiers écrivains I2 3 4 V 6 7 8 9 X 11 chapitre 9 La Renaissance des arts en Italie. Les premières écoles I2 3 4 V 6 Conclusion Table des matières notes, The Full Project Gutenberg Licence 7 8 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 9 1 0 11 13 14 15 1 6 17 18 19 22 1 22 23 24 25 2 6 27 28 29 33 1, 32, 33, 34, 35 3 6, 37, 38, 39, 44 1, 42, 43, 44, 45 4 6, 47, 48, 49, 55 1, 52, 53, 54, 55 5 6, 57, 58, 59, 66 1, 62, 63, 64, 65 6 6, 67, 68, 69, 77 1, 72, 73, 74, 75 7 6, 77, 78, 79, 88 1, 82, 83, 84, 85 8 6, 88, 89, 90, 91 9 2, 93, 94, 95, 96 97 99 billions 100 milliards 101 millions 102 100 304 billions 105 milliards 106 millions 107 100 809 billions 110 milliards 111 millions 112 113 114 billions 115 milliards 116 millions 117 118 119 billions 120 milliards 121 millions 122 123 124 125 126 billions 127 milliards 128 millions 129 130 131 billions 132 milliards 133 millions 134 135 136 billions 137 milliards 138 millions 139 140 141 billions 142 milliards 143 millions 144 145 146 billions 147 milliards 148 millions 149 150 151 billions 152 milliards 153 millions 154 155 156 billions 157 milliards 158 millions 159 160 161 billions 162 milliards 163 millions 164 165 166 billions 167 milliards 168 millions 169 170 171 billions 172 milliards 173 millions 174 175 176 billions 177 milliards 178 millions 179 180 181 billions 182 milliards 183 millions 184 185 186 billions 187 milliards 188 millions 189 190 191 billions 192 milliards 193 millions 194 195 196 billions 197 milliards 198 millions 199 200 201 billions 202 milliards 203 millions 204 205 206 billions 207 milliards 208 millions 209 210 211 billions 212 milliards 213 millions 214 215 216 billions 217 milliards 218 millions 220 221 222 billions 223 milliards 224 millions 225 226 227 billions 228 milliards 229 millions 230 231 232 billions 233 milliards 234 millions 235 236 237 billions 238 milliards 239 millions 240 241 242 billions 243 milliards 244 millions 245 246 247 billions 248 milliards 249 millions 250 251 252 billions 253 milliards 254 millions 255 256 257 billions 258 milliards 259 millions 260 261 262 billions 263 milliards 264 millions 265 266 267 billions 268 milliards 269 millions 270 271 272 billions 273 milliards 274 millions 275 276 277 billions 278 milliards 279 millions 280 281 282 billions 283 milliards 284 millions 285 286 287 billions 288 milliards 289 millions 290 291 292 billions 293 milliards 294 millions 295 296 297 billions 298 milliards 299 millions 300 301 302 billions 303 milliards 304 millions 305 306 307 billions 308 milliards 309 millions 310 311 312 billions 313 milliards 314 millions 315 316 317 billions 318 milliards 319 millions 320 321 322 billions 323 milliards 324 millions 325 326 327 billions 328 milliards 329 millions 330 331 332 billions 333 milliards 334 millions 335 336 337 billions 338 milliards 339 millions 340 342 344 billions 345 milliards 346 millions 347 349 300 350 351 352 353 354 355 356 357 359 360 361 362 363 364 365 366 367 368 369 370 371 372 373 374 375 376 377 378 379 380 381 382 383 384 385 386 387 389 390 391 392 393 394 395 396 397 398 399 400 401 402 403 404 405 406 407 408 409 410 411 412 413 414 415 417 418 419 420 423